How to use Google Keep Notes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Keep Notes easy and fast. So all what you have to do, download the Keep Notes and log into your account. Easy. Now this is the home page. As you can see, if you want to add new notes here, all what you have to do is click on this plus icon in down corner, click on it, and now click and write anything right here, for example test, and after you finish you have many options. It's automatically saved right here. If you want to edit it, just click on it again and you can add anything here. If you want to download it, just click here and it's saved. If you want to pin it, click on it. Sorry, I'm gonna add something. If you want to pin, for example, this note, click on it and click pin. Now it's pinned, as you can see. And if you want to turn on or turn off the dark mode, go here to settings, go here settings, and go to theme and choose the dark mode. And if you want to see your deleted notes, just go here and go to trash, and here you go. Here you will find your deleted trash notes. And if you want to empty your trash, just click on empty trash like this. And yeah, if you want to create, and if you want to create new label, all what you have to do is click again here and click create new label. Now choose the name, test, and as you can see, this is the new label. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much.